Matplotlib Autoscale. I need to get a plot that fits the data automatically using Matplotlib. This is the code I was given. This creates a plot, however the window is always the same, 0.8, no matter what the data is, even if all of the data is outside that window. The resulting window has no ability to zoom out, only in, so this is a major problem. I can't find anywhere where any kind of sizing is set, nor can find details on what defaults are. I need the window to automatically fit the data, but I can't find any function that does it. For some reason, autoscale_true doesn't do it. The data is highly variable, so setting hard limits is not an option. How can I get this to display properly?
Not sure if this is what you wanted, but I can change it if this was not what you were looking for. Hope that helps.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.